Made from an old Dried
5-0 building bamboo fork can be reverse distribution. Old Ty wants to learn from his master, but Bishi doesn't have to. We didn't reach that level. Just communicate and play together. First, let's make the simplest double-layer motherboard. Pure bamboo has many manual details. It probably needs at least 3 videos to complete the color contrast after baking. After that, the business should be rigid. After the outside is scorched and the inside is tender, the bamboo raft can be chopped with random knives. Layer trimming will save a lot of things.
The bonding surface must be repaired to a plane thickness with 55 points, 5 points, 5 points, 5 points, 5, 4, 5, 0, 0, and 5, 0, 1.
Symmetrical on both sides. Take the ladder is the later operation of the reference. You can find its edges by referring to the midline with a length of 50 centimeters at both ends.
Make a coning.
Repair the excess beyond the line.
Pay attention to the growth direction of bamboo joints. This one is rising and this one is going down.
The bamboo nodes do not overlap and are evenly distributed. There are many details, but success or failure lies in the details. use a saw blade to make small hooks longitudinally. There is no other belt. Use the rope to process the scorpion to complete its bonding. All tools can be substituted. No must. Glue sticky point is better. If too thin, after dehydration, will produce gaps inside. Horizontal and vertical alignment pressure after the hole should be in a plane. Cannot twist so that the bonding of double layer small bamboo board is completed.
The edge is a long way, so you squeeze out the glue. Is now soft.
DQ shot.
When it can be as hard as glass.
Scammers. Decided to provide the pure bamboo worker with a set of specialized equipment which they still had to wear. The accurate